Right guys, it's Sunday the 24th of June. It has just gone 5 o'clock in the morning, and believe it or not, we're going fishing. So right now, we're heading into Cheshire, it's just outside Nantwich. We'll be spending the day at Hampton Springs Fishery. So the fishery itself, gates don't open till 7 o'clock, but we're leaving this early with a plan to get there an hour early. We're hoping to jump on specific pegs on a specific lake. So Hamptons itself offers a range of fishing, including match and pleasure. Also has a specimen pit, which the lake will be targeting today. Last year we fished this venue, me and Dave. Unfortunately we both blanked, so today is more like a vengeance trip. We're hoping to both open an account on the lake. But that's enough from me now. The aim is to get there, beat the queues, and get fishing. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Me and Dave arrived just before 6 o'clock. We beat everyone to the gates. We're first in the queue, and subsequently we're now fishing an area of the lake that we wanted to fish in our heads. So we're just keeping it dead simple. Boilie bottom baits, boilie over the top, some little chops, a little bit of boilie crumbs, some stick mixes going out with the hook baits, and it's looking good for a bite. We've been told that the margins start producing well about 4 o'clock in the evening, so I'm just going to bait various spots up throughout the day and sort of switch between them. We're only here for the day at the end of the day. It's like that, right? But yeah, we're hoping for bites. And we're going to keep fishing. Catch up with you guys soon. just gone 5 o'clock. It's taken so long to get a bite today. The fish have been on the surface milling around, being unresponsive to floaters and zig rigs. And finally this one's ripped off on the bottom as it's starting to cool down in the evening. Finally opened my account here on Hampton Springs, and it's definitely vengeance. Beautiful half-limb mirror, and I'm absolutely buzzing. Fish is not long off shutting now, so hopefully we can get another one before we leave. But I'm going to slip this one back. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Right guys, there's the second fish, literally 10 minutes apart from the first one. Looks like they're going to get their heads down now as it heads on into the evening. Beautiful little fully scaled, 11.5 pounds, just a little bit smaller than the previous fish, which was a 14.3. But yeah, looks like we could get another bite. But anyway, I'm going to slip this one back. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Then, third and final fish of the session, just on pack down. Nice lovely little surprise, another mirror carp, just around the £10 mark, about £9.13. But yeah, what turned from a bad day has turned into a good day. So all of the fish have come off the same spot. Just at a dissection point where the lilies meet the island. There's a little shelf out there. From 5 o'clock onwards I've just been picking them out. But yeah, it's time to slip this one back. It's time to go home. Right guys, sadly our session's come to an end. But what's gone from a bleak day to almost blanking has turned into absolute joy. 3 fish, just after 5 o'clock. Literally in the process of packing down. And yeah, couldn't be more happier. Absolutely buzzing. Opened the Hamptons account. 3 decent fish on a day where it's been very tough and very warm. But yeah, that's enough from me now. Can't wait to get out on another adventure. And until the next time, stay heavy.